Hi! In front of me is Nokia C32, and today I would like to show you how you can delete password added to Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Following that, tap on Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of, in my case my Facebook one, and enter your current login method. Lastly, hit delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my Facebook password was successfully deleted from Password Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!